Hey everybody, it's Mattie with Mattie'S TV coming back to you with another video. So today I wanted to do a little seafood mukbang, if you will. I went to Crafty Crab, and this is not my first time. I've been going, I've gone, times before. And also I'm going to be asked 10 questions while I'm eating, while I'm indulging, while I'm about to devour my food. I just had to do that, y'all. I felt like I had to cough. You know, every time somebody coughs, people be thinking things. But anyway, I'm gonna be asked 10 questions. Let me pray for real quick. Amen. So today from Crafty Crab, they had a special, which was $30. You get corn, shrimp, potatoes, a crab cluster, and green lip mussels. So of course, to make it complete, I had to add my own eggs to it. So with that, I'm gonna say bon appetit. I think this is the yum yum sauce. Nope. That might be the boom boom sauce. I don't know. I have yum yum sauce and boom boom sauce. I can put my shells in this bag right here because I forgot to bring something to put my shells in. Yeah. Alright. So, I don't know what the juice is. Ain't no juice in them. The shrimp. The potatoes are good. Have a bite, y'all. Okay. So B Hopper's gonna ask me some questions while I'm eating.
Okay, first question. They got any sausages in their bowls?
Yeah.
Okay. That had nothing to do with the questions, but alright, first question. Do you try to respond to every comment?
Do I try to respond to every comment? Yes, I do. I want to be able to respond to each and every one of my family members. And if I don't respond, it's because I just not overlooked it, but didn't see it. Is that the same as overlooking? But yeah, I try to respond to everybody.
Do you have a favorite YouTube channel?
Yes, I do. Mattie'S TV. That's my favorite YouTube channel. Excuse me, y'all. Yes, Mattie'S TV. The one look like he waiting for me to change my answer or something. But it don't change.
I'm sure it doesn't.
My channel is my favorite channel. Maybe not to others, but to me, it is. Now, I used to watch, before I became a content creator, I used to follow a lot of people's channels. Like, I was in people's channels when they were sitting there alone and, thinking about quitting their channel because they didn't, have enough subscribers or whatever. And that's another reason why I know that when it's my time for my channel to grow, that it will. Because again, I sat in a room with one particular YouTuber that's doing big things right now. And they didn't know if they were gonna make it or not. And like I said, they was like, I'm just gonna quit, I'm gonna quit, I'm gonna quit. But they kept going, and they're doing real good with numbers now. They're doing very well. So I'm just gonna be patient and not allow anything to hinder my spirits, and know that, you know, God got me, and what He has for me, He has for me.
Who is your biggest supporter?
Well, do I name just one, or do I name?
Who is your biggest supporter? Biggest. There's.
The biggest supporter that I have is Mom's Fur Baby. That's my biggest supporter. You said I can only name one, right?
Oh, that's the biggest.
Okay.
All right. If you ever made it big, would you change?
If I ever made it big, would I change? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. If I was to ever make it big, I would be the same person that I am to this day. I promise I would. I would still do my giveaways, but I just would be able to give away more. Because like now, I don't even have it, but I try, you know, to make things happen for my loyal, genuine, you know, supporters. But yes, to answer your question, yes, I would. No, I don't know if I have an allergic reaction when I eat seafood or what, but every time I eat it, my nose itch.
Why did you start YouTube?
Well, what is good? My son inspired me to do YouTube. My son would be in the room, and he'd be, you know, doing his videos and stuff, and I would get real irritated. I would get irritated when he's playing music, or when he's doing a video and he's talking really loud. So one day I wanted to, you know, I sat down with him and, you know, asked him what he was doing, and he was like, "Mom, I'm doing my YouTube channel, and you should do it." And I'm like, "No way," you know. And he's like, "Yeah, you should do it, you know, but you gotta have tough skin to do YouTube." And I was like, I don't know about that. But then he kept talking to me and talking to me. So he said, just try it. And I tried it the first time. And I recorded, I think I put, when I first started, I think I put like maybe 3 or 4 videos out. And a troll came in and trolled me. Of course, I didn't know anything about any of that. But I got trolled. So I was like, no, I don't want to do it no more. But then he was like, "Mom, I told you have to have thick skin, you know, to do this. Now, either you got thick skin or you don't." I got thick skin, so this is where I've been since.
What do you like most about YouTube?
What I like most about YouTube is being able to meet new people. And I'm not going to just say new people, new family members. I've met so many wonderful people on YouTube, and I love it. You know, we are all a family, and like what I noticed is, like, you could have been visiting somebody's channel for a long time, or vice versa, but it gets to a point where people start moving upward, and they just don't have time, you know, to just sit in your channel anymore. And you don't have time neither, because the both of you are content creators and you're trying to get your own content out there. But you always go back, even if it's just to jump in there and say, "Hello, how are you?" You know, give them, you know, 15 minutes or whatever, and just move on. But we always stick together.
What do you dislike most?
I just like mean people. I just like mean-spirited people. Like, for instance, I know even the bigger YouTubers, you know, get thumbs down or whatever. But I hate the fact that YouTube don't show you who's giving you the thumbs down. I feel like if YouTube showed you that, because that's really, you know, a lot of people be like, who cares? Who gives a crap? You know, but I just really want to see who it is that's being disloyal like that. So, you asked me what was my dislikes, right?
Yes.
So, for the most part, I don't have any dislikes about YouTube. Oh, I do. I dislike the fact that we can't play music. That's another one of my dislikes.
If you became YouTube famous, would you bring any others with you?
Yes, I would. Yes, I would. I have quite a few people that I would bring with me if I became YouTube famous. The one thing about me is I don't forget where I came from, and I like to look out for all those who looked out for me. May it be just coming in my live stream, or maybe just commenting on one of my videos, or maybe it be a super chat or a cash app. I appreciate
What
all
was
of
your
y'all.
favorite YouTube challenge?
Of my own or one that someone else created? My own?
Both, if you want.
Okay. My favorite challenge is the one I created, which was the 3 boiled eggs. I don't know that I've had another favorite challenge. So with that being said, I would say I had fun doing the Hubba Bubba challenge too. So my boiled egg and my Hubba Bubba.
How about somebody else's challenge?
Um, Let me see what challenge I possibly could have had fun. I had fun with the sardines and pork and beans. I did. I had fun with the sardines and pork and beans challenge. And that challenge was created by, if I'm not mistaken, it was created by DMV Dining, I think. But yeah, that was a fun challenge.
And if you could change anything in the world right now, what would it be?
If I could change anything right now, I would change some of those YouTube rules. Yeah. I would change some of the YouTube rules. That's what I would change. I hate when I get my mussels and they don't have, they juicy though. Any more questions?
No, that's it.
Give me one off of your head. Let's talk when I do.
How hard has it been to adapt to the current conditions in which we live?
For me, it's very hard. As well as been a touchy subject for me, but it's hard. You know, I have so much family that I have not been able to see and be with. You know, and the holidays, y'all, the juice is at the bottom. The holidays are simply the worst right now because normally my uncle cooks and all the family goes out to his house and we have a good time out there. But due to the current situation, I haven't seen my family in over a year, which is very unusual. Well, you know, there's potatoes in here too. I failed to mention that. But yeah, I miss my family. I'm thankful that my daughter don't live far, and she and the kids still come to see me. So y'all, I got like close to being ready for Christmas, you know. I think I'm finished. I still gotta get a couple more gifts, but I might have to wait till the holiday, after the holiday, to get them. Yeah, I mean, I have to wait till after the holiday. I was talking to one of my cousins on the phone today. She said, I ain't getting nobody nothing. She said to me, I don't know why you feel like every year you gotta break your neck. You ain't got no babies no more. And I thought about what she said. I said, she's absolutely right. I said, I should have got these kids one gift and call it a day. Because I give them all year round anyway.
Now, you do know that you say this every year, right?
What? I'm not gonna do Christmas.
Uh-huh.
I'm not next year.
It's right about this time after you bought all the gifts, and you're like, well, next year, we're not doing this. I don't even say anything because I always get fussed at. So I just be like, okay, honey, whatever you say.
And if God's will, and I get to see another Christmas, we're done. We're finito. Finito. So I got this morning at about 6:30. And I saw snowflakes. I said, uh-oh, y'all, we on to something. I normally don't eat the potatoes, y'all, but I'm gonna just take a bite at it. One of them. It snowed for maybe, it dropped a few flurries for about maybe three minutes, if that. So, you know what? I'm over this snow stuff. But all day today, it really looked like it was about to snow. Sorry that I told you my nose started itching. Also, y'all, I'm thinking it came right out to, I'm thinking about changing my channel to a cooking channel. So, I'll let y'all know. Alright, so I'm not gonna keep y'all. I hope this is a long enough video because I'm being told that I don't hold my videos up long enough. But I'm being told that, but don't look like you watching them neither, you know? So, darn if you do, darn if you don't. But anywho, oh, and for y'all Christmas gifts, they coming. I got them sitting right there. But I'm just refusing to stand in a long line. And I'm not going to ask my husband to do it because it wouldn't be fair to him. But, y'all gifts right there. All y'all gifts. And I told y'all about the Cash App, so y'all probably get it a few days before Christmas. Anywho, I'm gonna eat a little bit more of this when I get off the camera. I was gonna sit up and cause it's late here, y'all. I should really be in bed, but I wanted to do a video. So then I said, well, you know what? I'm gonna go over here and work on work on some stuff. Excuse me again, but I done took my shower and I'm ready for bed now. I normally just go in the room, lay across the bed, and play my little game. I got this nice cooking game I play. Alright, y'all, I'm closing out. Happy holidays, everybody. And remember, all things I do with love. Don't forget to say your prayers and know that God loves you and so do I. Bye.